here in Kolkata, also in South 24 Pargana, North 24 Pargana, East Mednipur. It has created a havoc. Various places, trees have been uprooted in Kolkata and adjoining areas. And the NDRF, 14 company NDRF team, they are working on it. Local administration is working on it. Here in Newtown, where we are standing, here the NKD authorities, the local authorities, they are also working hard here, and definitely now though the cyclone has weakened because the landfall has taken place, now the devastation is there everywhere. The trees have been uprooted in various places, water logging is there. ये बताइए दादा कि कितना यहाँ पे ऐसा पेड़ टूटा हुआ है?
बहुत है।
बहुत, चारों ओर। तो आप लोग कब से काम कर रहे हैं?
कल रात से।
कल रात से पूरा
पूरा
कितना कितना अभी तक हटाया?
वो तो बहुत है।
बहुत है। और ये बहुत टाइम भी लग रहा है।
टाइम है, काटा माटा फूट जाচ্ছে।
हाथ भी कट गया आपका?
कट गया।
So what they are saying, you can see the team of the administrative team, they are going everywhere. They're saying that it is various places trees have been uprooted and it is difficult for them. They are working 24/7. Yesterday all through the night we saw that when the Rimal landfall was taking place, NDRF team, they were cutting the trees in the Shagor block. Now let me tell you, the Shagor block in South 24 Pargana, the island that is worst affected in Rimal, because the landfall, it just crossed Kepupara, which is in Bangladesh, and Shagor, it just went in between, and then it had a landfall in Mongla. Though the landfall, the cyclonic storm landfall has taken place, but in various places there has been water logging, there has been electricity problem, there has been various trees have been uprooted. One person in Kolkata has died late night when he went out to search for his son, and at that point of time the Rimal was at its full strength and that person died. So today definitely we have seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he has held a very special meeting yesterday. Governor of the state has held a very special meeting. Mamata Banerjee has also tweeted, and Mamata Banerjee has also instructed the administration to work 24/7 in every district. There has been a special cell, monitoring cell has been opened up in various districts, and 24/7 everybody is keeping an eye. Jagat Prashad Nadda, he has also expressed his concern on these things. A lot of political events have been cancelled. Last phase of election is there, and the most interesting thing is last phase of election is in those areas which is worst affected. So right now the priority of all the political parties also is to stand by the people, and more than 1 lakh people have been taken to the rescue centers. So in that way they are expecting there will be less of human life, but still things are really bad now. This is Kamalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Kolkata.